Hi, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to learn how we can create a multi-step form in our WordPress with the help of a plugin. Okay. So the main purpose of the plugin that we are going to create today is we can create like a step form. Like when you click on a first step, you will see the name. On the next step, you will see the email or and so on and so on that. Okay. So our main purpose is we can create as much step as we want and we can add as many fields in a single step as we can. Okay. So let's start with it. We have a fresh WordPress installation here and there is nothing new in it. Okay. It's a fresh blank WordPress. Okay, jump back to the Claude and try to write it in a prompt. Okay. So let's start with I want to, sorry, I want to create a WordPress plugin where I am able to create a multi-step form. Okay, so this is the first thing. Next thing, I can I can add as many fields as I want in single step. Okay, and also I can be able to add as many steps as I want. Okay, second thing. Oh, now the data save. Data will be saved in the admin panel. Okay, and I can also able to delete the record. Okay, I think first, we have clarified there that we want to create a WordPress plugin for a multi-step form. Second, we want to create as many fields as we want in a single step and as many steps as we want also, and data also will be saved in the admin panel. So let's hit it and try to wait it out if it's working perfectly fine, and or if not, then there is no issue with that. We will figure it out. Okay, let's hit enter. And now let me pause the video and wait for the result. Hi, welcome back. So here we have the plugin. We can download this. Okay, let's download it and try to install it. Okay, it's downloaded. Let's open this, copy this folder and go back to our WordPress directory. Go to WP content, go to the plugins and let's paste here. Okay, let's go to the WordPress admin, go to the plugins, and let's see if the plugin is visible here or not. Okay, it's perfectly visible. Let's activate that plugin. Okay, here are multiple forms. Let's create a new form. Let's call it as a registration form. Okay, let's call this as a basic details. Let's call this as a name and email. That would be email and contact number. That would goes to the number. Let's create a new step. Let's call this as a maybe the state you are living. Let's call it a state. Let's make it as a text. Create another. Let's call it as a experience. First goes to the field and second years. Let's last step. Final thoughts. Let's make it as a text area message. Let's save this form and try to insert it. Okay, It's saved. Let's go to the all forms. Here we have the all form. Let's go to the pages and try to add this in sample page. Let's open the sample page and let's see if we can work this out or not. Okay, let's go back to there, try to search it. Okay, we do not have a block yet. No problem. We will add that later. Let's do shortcodes here. Let's save the page, go back to the sample page, and let's see we do have here. Okay, let's fill the details straight. Okay, next field IT. Let's add years, message, testing form, submitted. Looks perfectly fine. Let's check out the data if it's showing perfectly or not. Let's go to the entries. We do have entry here. Okay, looks like perfectly working fine. Okay, we just need minor tweaking in it. Okay, the first one is make sure the design is inherited from the theme. Okay, second, also want to compatible with WordPress Blocks and Elementor and Elementor, etc. themes. Okay, and make sure it's secure and not prone to hack. Make it smoother and efficient. Let's check this out. Okay, let me just pause the video and wait for the result. Hi, welcome back. So our updated plugin is created. Let's download this. Okay, it's downloaded. Let's open this, copy everything, and let's go back to our own plugin. Let's delete everything, paste here. Let's go back to the dashboard, refresh it, go again to the plugins. Here we have that edit entry deletes. Looks perfectly fine to me. And let's check out the again. So now it only follows the basic structure. Okay, looks like it. Let's check this if they already created a block or not. Let me create a new block called multi-step form. Here we have that. Let's call this. I don't need that. Let's remove this. Perfect. Let's check it out. It's working perfectly fine. Let's try with the Elementor. Add a new plugin. Let's go back to the popular plugins. And here we have the number one popular plugin is Elementor. Let's install this and check if it's working perfectly fine or not. Okay, let's activate the plugin. Now complete the welcome wizard. Continue as a guest. Let's skip this. That one too. That one too. Continue with this theme. Okay, let's skip this. Okay, now it's perfectly totally fine and it's ready to set up. Let's try to check this out in Elementor blocks. I think it will be working perfectly fine. There is no need to worry about that. Let's close this one. Let's search for multi-step form as we can expect. It's worked perfectly fine. Let's publish this and view that page. Hopefully, yeah, it is. Let's check this. Let's go back to that. Services. Let's next. We can also go back to previous. Looks fine. to me. Let's summarize the detail. Go back to the admin panel, exit to WordPress. And I think it will be also working perfectly fine. Let's go back to the dashboard, and I don't need that. Okay, multi-step form. It's showing too much advertisement nowadays. Go back to there. We do have one entry. Let's go back to that. Now we have two entries. We can also delete it if we never wanted to. Okay. Looks like the plugin is perfectly working fine. We can always tweak the result however we want, but we are not going to do that in that particular video. In that particular video, we are just trying to create a functionality that we can easily use in any aspect of our project. Okay. So looks like it's working. You can always tweak, you can always improve, and there is so much space in that to improve. I just want to create something like a basic structure that we can get started from that. Okay. So that's it for that. Let's wrap this up. And if you have any answer, sorry, if you have any question, if you have any suggestions, if you have any comment on the particular aspect of that multi-step form, or if you want to learn anything new with the help of AI and you want to create a plugin with that, let me just tell me on the comments. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible, and then I will try to create a video for that particular topic as well. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.